area. So there are multiple aspects, mainly these two.
The second phase of the Rambrai-Kyrshai-Chaygoan road remains a stall with no signs of work starting yet, even though the first phase has been completed up to Mauthir village. Regarding this delay, the Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo People Rambrai Circle met with the Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills yesterday to inquire about the status of the project. President of the Federation, Jistarlan Linkhoi, said that the second phase of the road is still in limbo due to a lack of sanction. He has urged the government to allocate fresh funds so that work on the remaining portion of the road can begin.
Isukan tu nagaliang jong Deputy Commissioner ban angkat berkas sarkar ba kidai ban thaulat kumno ban pendap ya ketika projek namar ba menta ketika surat kadang sa tang live 1 kilometer tek badang sa pat ba hadum tang isu tu ba nagaliang DC ulah Kyrshai ba kampadon ai hadum menta.
Community leaders from